Sharm Grand Plaza Resort, Sharm el Sheikh, Egypt. Sharm Grand Plaza Resort, families and couples only, offers simply furnished accommodations. It features a free private beachfront, outdoor swimming pools, and a game room where guests can enjoy billiards, darts, and table tennis upon request. All rooms feature tiled floors and satellite TV icon. It is fitted with a minibar, a wardrobe, and a balcony. Wi-Fi access is available in public areas free of charge. This hotel offers 6 restaurants with a variety of cuisines for all tastes throughout the day. The Red Sea Beach is a 3-minute walk away, where water activities such as diving and other water sports facilities are available upon request. Perfectly laid on the shores of the Red Sea, with private 300 meters long sandy beach, owns stunning coral reef. 90 meters away, walk on the hotel-owned jetty. The Sharm Grand Plaza reflects peacefulness, tranquility, and comfort. On the southern tip of the Sinai Peninsula, Sharm el Sheikh is an international hotspot visited by tourists and locals alike. Thanks to its year-round good weather, sandy, white beaches, first-class restaurants, and a wild nightlife, this has become the top destination for those looking to relax, as well as those wishing to party. Sharm el Sheikh Airport is 8 kilometers away by car, and Nabq Bay is 19 kilometers away from the hotel. Sharm Grand Plaza is a popular choice for many travelers due to its beachfront location, which offers easy access to the sea and pools, although its distance from the city center is noted. The hotel earns praise for its friendly, attentive service and well-maintained amenities, including pools and a private beach. While many appreciate the spacious and comfortable rooms, some mention they need updating. Cleanliness receives mixed feedback, and the hotel is seen as offering reasonable value, despite some extra charges. The Sharm Grand Plaza 5-star hotel is built in the Arabian style, has a large, well-groomed green area, and a magnificent beach. This hotel will be appreciated by both lovers of quiet and active rest. The hotel does not provide extra beds. The hotel was opened in 2006. The last renovation was in 2014. It consists of a main 2-story building and a complex of 6 2- and 3-story blocks. The hotel has 547 rooms of various categories: superior room, deluxe sea view, family room, junior suite, and executive suite.